You guys want to learn how to light music video set?
Hell yeah!
We're here right now, Los Angeles, California. This is Mario Visions.
What's going on?
This man knows a lot about music video, like a lot more than me. So I'm gonna play dumb, which won't be very hard right now. And we're gonna pretend that we're shooting a scene for a music video right here. I want Mario to help me out with, how would you like this? Let's say I wanted to be right where you are right now.
What's the look you're trying to go for?
This is a trap song about all the money that I got, all the I got, and I'm looking for dark cinematic.
Okay.
Dark cinematic.
We can make that work. All right, let me get some lights,
Get some
and
lights.
then we'll make it happen.
Right.
I like that. All right.
Now I know that these are probably expensive lights.
Yeah.
What lights are you gonna use right here?
So for this scene, I'm gonna use all power tube. They're the 15X. I think they go for like $350, maybe $300 for a piece. Yeah.
Okay, and you have 4 of them right here?
8 of them.
Oh, okay, 8.
Do you want me to use all 8, or I could just use 4? I mean, really, you tell me the number.
First, show me what it looked like if you just had 2 lights.
2 lights? All right, cool.
If you're watching this and you can't afford these lights, they could still probably apply the same principles, right? As far as like where to place the lights.
Yeah, I mean, any light works. It doesn't have to be nan light. Like, this is expensive. They make other brands that are RGB tubes. They're cheaper brand, but at the end of the day, as long as you just place them in the right place,
yeah,
it's gonna do the job. This is more of like, the skin tones are better for your, like the light's a better output for the skin tones. It's different, it might be brighter, it's built better, but for the most part, a lot of tubes tend to be like really good for what they are.
What's the secret of great lighting?
It's just understanding separation of lighting, the control that it gives you, and technically this determines the outcome as far as the mood. Lighting does everything. It's not the camera, it's the light. I get it, camera quality helps a lot, but the main thing is you put the proper lighting on freaking an iPhone. I've done a video actually already right here with an iPhone, and it looks like no different. The only difference you see is the depth of field, but other than that, the lighting, it sets the mood, it sets the look, it does everything. I get happy when it comes to lighting. It's fun.
So much fun.
2 lights, bro, that's what you got me doing. 2 lights.
2 lights.
Man. We're going on there, there. We're good to go. This is 110. Boom.
What are you looking for with this light right here?
So that light is gonna be the key light. I have the light just hitting them. So it's not touching the background, it's not doing anything. You got the green in the back, you got the tungsten, make them separate from the background, and now he has like a moody look. He has the green that's hitting the side of his face. Visually it looks pleasing. If I have an artist, I'm like, bro, make it look dope, or a director, just make it look dope. It's more color preference, so that's why I'll tell director what kind of color you want. We're in the money room, why not do green? Red looks good, you can do anything on that end, but this light particular is the key light for the subject or the artist at this point. You can go tungsten, you can go daylight, clean white skin tone.
I was just about that. What if they had lights that didn't change colors and all these were just white?
If they're just all white. Now this is like where it starts getting really like complicated. This is where you want to improvise. Like you might want to use haze to kind of do the atmosphere a little better. You still have separation, you're still moody. At this point, if this is all I have to work with, I'm gonna grab those 2 lights and I'm gonna put it right behind them. I need separation. Those 2 lights are just kind of spilling. I wouldn't like it. I would just place them right in the back. So if you want to just grab some of it right now.
See update on the fly.
Now it's super moody. At least there's separation. It's kind of moving the lights around, seeing what works for you. This is where lighting comes hand in hand with colors. If I want to color grade the background, it's white right now. When you're in post and you're dealing with straight daylight, you can change the background to moody green, moody blue. You have those 2 options, or you can keep it flat neutral. So we're gonna change the background. And see how right away it's a big difference. It just gives it a whole different look. Now the gold's popping. You know, if you put more gold in the back, you can start making it look a lot better. So this is where moving things around help you with your visual. Like I'll probably put more of the gold bricks, because if you look at the gold bricks on the right side, they pop, they tend to look better. The light's hitting it better. Look around and see what is the complement more. I wanna go music video vibes. Now you got like a whole different look. Boom, now you got energy provided. So you want energy for a music video?
Yeah.
Now this is where you have the artist performing, going crazy in front of the camera, and let the lighting just kind of give you the mood. You don't have to go extra on effects. You don't have to do none of that. For me, I like to use lighting to provide the energy and the mood to the video. It does everything. When I go through all these effects, when I would say the hardest thing to do is get the lighting, because effects, you could give it to any editor and they could get the same image for you. But shots, you have to get it in camera. You can't do it in post. You can't edit it in post. You have to do it in camera. So 2 tubes can do the job. A little small thing as the aperture bulb, this is like $60. I think it's pretty dope look, and you can do it a lot of different things. You can move things around as far as the lighting to help your visual.
One cool thing with this look, like how you're saying energy.
Yeah.
You ever like break the shutter speed rule and do like a high shutter speed and then just have the camera be moving really fast?
That's another way. Yeah.
Put the shutter speed at like 250, and then since you raise that, it's gonna get darker, and then just raise the ISO to compensate. But yeah, if it was like this, yeah, but that fast energy, shaky, high shutter speed, I like to do that a lot. And then real quick, also show them what Mario was talking about. So now instead of filming in 24 frames, and so normally your shutter speed would be 50, we just broke that rule and went high past 200. And then now it's gonna be dropping the shutter speed below 50. So it could be like 1/8 or it's low.
Whatever, whatever works.
Just low, and it's got this cool look, and you can use it as B-roller and transitions. Hey man, Mario Visions, you gotta check out, he's got a YouTube channel with hella lighting videos. So I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Make sure you check him out. Lots of content. Shout out to Mario Visions. We're in Sight Studio in LA. This is just one of many different sets out here, you guys. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Help us out with the algorithm and all that. Subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Cat, Jack.